Hey everyone, I am back with another tutorial. If you're ready to dive into something cutting edge, let's download Adobe Premiere Pro Beta, where you can generate videos from text prompts. Yep, you heard that right. This beta version of Premiere Pro lets you create videos just by typing out a description. Check the link in the description below to download Premiere Pro Beta and follow along with me as we set it up and explore this excellent new feature together. All right, once you've clicked that link, it'll take you to the Adobe Premiere Pro Beta page. You will see an option where it says Start Free Trial. Go ahead and click that. If you don't have an Adobe account yet, this is the moment to create one. It's simple. Pop in your email, set a password, and you're good to go. After you're logged in, Adobe will guide you through downloading the Premiere Pro Beta installer. Just open up the file, follow the installation steps, and within minutes, you'll have the beta version of Premiere Pro ready on your computer. It's that quick. Now, here's where things get exciting. You'll notice a new feature that lets you create videos from text prompts. Imagine typing out a scene, a mood, or even just a visual idea and seeing it turn into a video. Adobe's AI will process your prompt and generate something for you to work with. It's an incredible tool for fast inspiration and rapid content creation. Perfect for storytelling, social media, or just trying out new ideas. But this is not on the beta app right now. However, next year, we will see this text to video generation on Premiere Pro. But what we have now is Generative Expand tool, which allows you to create new frames in your video and expand it. Here you can see, Adobe Firefly has perfectly created frames that matches the clips. And that's it. You're now ready to explore video generation in Premiere Pro Beta. If this walkthrough helped you out, we'd love to hear about your experience. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more cool tips, and share it with anyone else curious about trying this new Adobe feature. Thanks for watching.